Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while. I haven't had any videos, but I'm back and I'm ready to do a new one. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my Louis Vuitton Ebene 50 KeepAll. Let's get started with the video. This is the bag. The bag is orange. Normally Louis Vuitton would use a brown bag. They've been using the brown bag for a long time. They decided to switch over, and that's fine by me. Okay, let's get started. Okay, this is proof of purchase. Louis Vuitton KeepAll 50 Damier Ebene. Price $1,491.59. This was purchased from the 5th Avenue store. My SA name is Steven. He's really nice. If you're in that area, you should, try to check him out. He's very useful. Okay, let's open the box up. By the way, the packaging is on point, superb. The box is like a pizza box. Open it up. Here's the prize. Comes in a huge dust bag. Comes folded. Gold hardware. It has a key. The key is in the box, okay? Dust bag. Sorry, guys. The key is... okay. Comes with the key, so you can lock it up. It's not too big. It's not too small. It's just right for carry-on. You can carry it on the plane. So, Damier Ebene KeepAll 50. I'm going to be going away this weekend, so I'll get a chance to use it, and I'll be back with a review on how it holds up, what I could put in it, or how many items fit inside. I'll give you an in-depth review on it. So don't forget to like and subscribe. And like I said, I'm back. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.